Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Then once we are here, select run new task. Then we need to click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then find out system32 folder. So simply double click on it to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out cmd.exe file. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box. So this will be our main path, and we need to check this box for so this will the task open with administrative privileges. Once click on OK. Now on this window we need to execute some commands. Before that, just go to search bar, type your device manager and click here to open it. Now just expand display adapters, right click on the adapters, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update drivers. Now we need to select the first option, make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select search automatically for drivers, so it will install the drivers. Now close this window, close all windows one by one, then simply type here dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process, so we need to wait for it. Once done, we will simply close this window and just go to search bar, type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Then type the second command, that is sfc space / scan now and hit enter. This will also take some time to complete the process, so make sure you have to complete the process to fix the problem. Then restart your system, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.